it's Juliet from WTI, and I never have anything to wear. I think part of that problem for me is that I'm always buying clothes that are not really neutral and are very unique and hard to mix and match. So that's why I got this LOVFEE t-shirt. I got it in the large size, even though I'm normally a medium, and it fits the way that I wanted it to. So this is not like a super oversized t-shirt, but if you order a size up, it fits how I wanted it to, which is a little bit loose and not tight. I really like the length of the sleeves. I think they hit at a nice place. The neckline is loose enough, but it is not baggy and it's also not tight. I really like that. And I like how it fits. It has nice stretch to the shirt, the material, and it's super soft. So I've had this shirt for a number of months, probably like 5 months now, been washing it regularly, and it has held up super well. It's not really that see-through. I was wearing a gray bra as opposed to like a tan one. So I like that about it as well. It's just a great overall neutral white t-shirt. If you are looking for something like that to expand your wardrobe with more neutrals, definitely get this shirt. And that is my point of view.